may chosen. Who are you?
My name is Baby. The baby of the house. I'm the only child of my mother. That's why they call me Baby.
Atakam. No wonder.
I occupy my paradise and I move into Zion with slow motion.
What's with your dressing? It's actually weird.
So I dress like this to give the baby I am here to take care of a mother figure look.
Pipiro, I'm famished.
Congratulations.
Pipiro, I said I am hungry.
You are hungry. I am Pipiro.
My name na Teddy Bobo.
You said?
Teddy Bobo.
You be woman or baby man?
I'm a famous man.
Before you go, get me a bottle of Coke. A sap.
What will not?
Coke.
I'm only doing my work. What is wrong in somebody doing what I am here to do? She is a baby and I need to feed her as a baby. She says she is hungry. I am famished. She said not for one more. And I'm doing this.
Baby, does she look like a baby to you? But are you not seeing the one? Does this person look like a baby to you?
Then she should stop acting like one. Hey girl, welcome.
Mom, here is the most senseless, foolish man I've ever known.
Wait. The one use baby to bazaar.
Yes, sir.
Hey! Why am I not that canon? Anyway, that's the only way she will marry you. So what is the option? I'm here Tonto Dike. Who are you?
I was told there is a bazaar going on in this compound. So I'm also here to participate on it.
Is anybody home? The special in-law is here.
But make sure if you are going this year, make sure you don't trek with this. No koi. Because if anything to pull this compound, I will to pull you.
I'm feeling hot. I want to shower. Just get this ready for me.
Some women are too duo.
Are you being serious right now?